Oh, this is part 2. But I really want to share the Halloween slime, but it's the same day as part 1. I make them because I'm so excited to show you this slime in Halloween. Look, there's so many glitters. See, there's so much glitter. Let's check out the autumn slime first. I just didn't show you at part 1. Oh no, I need some spoon. Let me pause the video because I need to take some spoon. Oh, I can use a ruler. I can use the ruler. I can really use the ruler. The sticky. Okay, I'll check the autumn flame later because I'm just gonna put like a cup here. Okay, so I'm just gonna use a spoon and I'm gonna put it there. Whoa! Look at this. Oh no. Okay, then you tap it a little more. While we're doing that, we can check out the Halloween sign. Oh no, what's the opening? Ah! Look at this! Isn't it so cool and black? Look at the blackness. Look at its blackness. Oh no, I think water just, like I said, what in the world? Like I said in part 1. There's some water here too. Oh no, I still don't know where is the water from. I'm gonna get this black glish Halloween slime. This the color. This the most scariest slime. The black witch slime. I like to call it Halloween slime, but most of my family call it black witch slime. Ooh. Look at this. Oh no, now I have to check out the autumn slime because it's falling out. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's still going to take a little time. I'm still going to check out the black slime. Blackness. Look at its blackness. Look. 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 Whoa! Look at this. Look at this. No! It can't fall on the table. The table will take its colors. Just kidding. Well, sometimes. Come on, roll. Okay, now we have to check on the autumn slime because it's taking too much time and I just need to take it out right now. Okay, the table, I did it just... That is Algo! Okay. Well, this is a long time before we make so many slimes. I made this autumn slime with my daddy, and I made this Halloween slime myself. Where's the Halloween slime? There. Come on! The rest of the slime need to wait a little. Because, see? 3. Oh no. Don't fall. I'm gonna make a pancake. Let's do the rotate. Okay, I'm gonna do a pancake. Roll a ball. Roll a ball. Look at this slime. It's like a bunch of gold. Yeah? Smash this! Oh no. Why don't you use one of the slime bottles? Oh no, it's gonna fall off the edge. Don't let it fall off the edge. See, you see that the computer is moving. Yeah, I take this video with the computer. Look at this. Look at this one. It's gonna go on the table of my hand. It's gonna go on my hand. Well, I guess we need to check out the pink slime, but I'm just gonna play this with a few minutes. Ooh, look at this. No. Just kidding. Well, I like how you remind that minutes, 24 minutes. isn't an hour because 60 minutes is an hour. Huh? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. What? Oh no! It's still on the ground. Okay, we need to check the pink slime out because it's really going down. It's like jelly. What sort of flavor? Like, it's just pink. I just like this beauty. So beautiful. Look at this. I'll make a slimy bracelet. This is just part 2. Okay, this is just the last part. See? Look at this! I'll just put it in this cup because the rest of the slime didn't go well. Drop, drop, drop. Look at it dropping. It's gonna touch the bottom. The bottom is gonna touch the bottom. Ah. Oh, there's so pink up. Oh, there's some slime. Like nickel gold. It's brown gold because it's a little brownish and gold. Yes. I love this. I love making this video. Now, the answer is... I'm doing find out. The answer is... the answer is ground! How strange. Always no hair strings, just sticks. Okay. So the picture just sounded, I'm gonna stick... okay.